Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover Snapchat history. So let's get into it. First of all, open Snapchat. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Then tap the gear icon at the top right to open settings. Scroll down and select My Data. Now you need to log in to your Snapchat account using your registered username or email address and password. After successfully logging into your account, you'll be redirected to the My Data page. On the My Data page, you'll have an option to request Snapchat data. You just need to click on the Submit Request button located at the bottom of the page. After successfully submitting the request, the Snapchat team will prepare your data and you'll receive an email once your data is ready to download. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.